day everyone, welcome po sa Happy Angel Reading. And today reading po is para kay Pisces sa buwan ng Oktubre. So tingnan natin ang hindi natin alam na parating at kung anong inaasahan at din natin ang yung overall energy, no? At saka tingnan din natin ang message, no? Pasensya na po sa medyo magkaralagal ang boses. So titignan din po natin ang message sa iyo ng guide ng angel, ng ating spirit guide. And message for animal spirit. So, tingnan natin, no? Unahin natin tong angel, itong animal spirit message sa'yo sa buwan ng Oktubre. Pisces, this is for Pisces para sa buwan ng Oktubre po. This is Taglish po, no? Okay, thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. This is for Pisces. Ano po ang message sa kanya? O, yan, Pisces, transformations. You got the dragonfly. Tignan mo yung this when we actually haven't given pag binigyan tayo ng ng message ng animal spirit na si dragonfly spirit, parang true transcend illusion. So makikita din natin ang dragonfly spirit also is asking you for a change, no? Para magbago ng style, magbago ka ng no? This coming October nakikita natin you will gonna have lots of transformations also, no? And ang message ng Dragonfly Spirit sa'yo sa buwan ng Oktubre, October po, no? Parang iniinganyo ka na be open for a new, do not be afraid sa changes, no? And accept what is changing daw sa'yo. Kasi when Dragonfly Spirit actually, nire-remind ka there's a lot of transformations gonna happen to you this coming October. And makikita mo, pinapaalala rin sa iyo mga wisdom, plus yung mga truth, na laging nandiyan dyan lang sa iyo, no? Kumaga, there's a hidden within you na mag-i-emerge daw sa October, no? You're gonna have lots of wisdom, yung magkakaroon ka ng mga enlightenment, no? Napakaganda. Parang nakikita mo, di ba, ang dragon spirit actually, parang very reflective ang kanyang very reflective ang kanyang wings kung nakikita mo, no? Very reflective ang kanyang wings. So parang inaano ka na, parang sinasabi sa iyo na pay attentions, no? Mag-pay attentions ka sa totoo at malalaman mo raw na before maybe recent past mo, there's a lot of illusions going on, no? Mga illusions na nakikita natin na nare-recognize natin, no? Yung mga insight na hindi makatotohanan, minsan nag-aano sa atin yan. So ngayon, mawawala daw yan, no? Because the dragon spirit is guiding you to find the real truth daw. And there's a lot of transformations actually is about to come to you, especially yung enlightenment ng importante, ang kaliwanagan. Kasi pag naliliwanagan tayo, nawawalang burden natin, no? Nawawala yung mga balakid natin, no? Gumagaan ang ating pakaramdam. So, makikita mo daw ang katotohanan this coming October. There's a lot of secret will reveal to you. Yung mga tingin mo mga imposible, mga ilusyon na nangyayari sa buhay mo, it will came into a clarity daw, no? Yan ang sabi. Kagaya tignan mo yung wings nila, no? Yung body, yung wings niya, no? Very nakakakuha ng pansin ka diyan, no? Kaagad kasi very very bright, very maganda. Makikita mo raw yung katotohanan. Parang basta importante rito ang message sa iyo this coming October. There's a lot of enlightenment sa iyo, no? Yung mga tingin mo, yung mga makikita mo mga totoong tao din siguro, makikita yung ma-realize mo yung mga totoong kaibigan na akala mo some of us na binigyan natin ng boundaries because nakikita natin na medyo may pagkatoxic within the people daw. Makikita mo daw what is good thing on them, no? Na makakatulong daw sa iyo, no? So yan ang message ng dragon spirit sa'yo. So tignan natin what is coming towards you na hindi natin alam. So tignan natin this coming October sa'yo, Pisces. Okay, Spirit Guide, please tell us, Spirit Guide. This is for Pisces sa buwan ng Oktubre po. Ayan, the Wheel of Fortune, naka-reverse siya. Tell us more, Spirit Guide. That we don't know. Na paparating kay Pisces, sa buwan ng Oktubre po. Parang nahihirapan ka mag-start actually. You're getting hard to make a fresh start. Bakit kaya? O maybe may pagka maninibago ka kasi parang yan na, nagkaroon na ng clarity sa'yo no? So medyo may parang naninibago ka kasi nagkaroon na ng clarity sa'yo because the dragon spirit is with you, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng, kasi nga maliliwanagan ka na, pero parang deep inside of us, yung mind natin mahirap tanggapin ng totoo, maski masakit. Pero there's bakit siya nagpunta? Kasi it's about time now to face the reality daw, no? Parang nahihirapan ka this October na tanggapin ang katotohanan, no? It could be sa career, finances, or sa current situation mo, or sa love life mo. Pero may nakikita tayo dito na when the wheel of fortune is in reverse, actually when it comes maybe talking about your parang merong inevitable na hindi mo kayang na hindi kayang baguhin. Parang may sitwasyon na darating sa'yo sa Oktubre na hindi mo makokontrol, no? Maybe that has happened for its reason, no? Kaya nga sabi kong ganun, how to face the situations that you don't like, just accept it because it's happened for its reason. Ganun lang, no? Paano nyo matatanggap ang sitwasyon na unlikely sa inyo, na hindi nyo talagang gusto, na you've been expecting sa project na disappoint kayo? How you gonna accept that, no? To turn it into the positive, isipin nyo lang na it's happened for its reason po. Yan po ang key no? Na pag nasa malungkot, bakit tayo malungkot? It happened for its reason. Merong kang dapat daw matutunan sa sitwasyon na yan, ang sabi, no? Pisces, tell us more, Spirit Guide. What is coming that we didn't know this October, Spirit Guide? Then we'll go sa love life mo, no, Pisces. Ito muna yung overall energy na what's gonna happen sa October na hindi mo alam. Okay, ayan, meron ka rin 6 of Swords. Parang it's hard for you to move on. Or yan nga, kagaya rin kakita ko. Nakita mo ng katotohanan, parang it's hard to accept you the truth. So in any situations, hindi ko sinasabi sa love life lang yan, but in situations, you've seen it clearly. Pero syempre, mayroon yung mind natin, no? Parang yung mind natin, hindi natin matanggap ang katotohanan, masakit. So we're still keep on blinding. So sa October, medyo makakaramdam ka ng ganyan na nahihirapan ka mag-start for a new beginning, even you know the truth already. Parang it's hard for us to accept, no, the reality, or it's hard for us na nakita. Parang acceptance to you is getting hard, no? Sa this coming October. Okay. So tingnan naman natin ang iyong love life. So let's use different no? Tingnan natin ang iyong love life. What's coming? It could be love. Ang message dito, it could be ang sitwasyon mo. It could be career, finances, or sa family. And it could be a love life also. But we've been seeing that. So, pero mag-specific pa rin tayo sa love life mo, na Pisces. Let's see. What is coming sa love life ni Pisces, Spirit Guide? Medyo may nakikita tayong unblocked energy, no? Tell us more, Spirit Guide. Hindi kaya sa love life ang sinasabi na to, no? Maybe you've seen lots of evidence, no? Mamaya nakita mo na yung asawa mo, ang partner mo, may hindi ka pa rin makapaniwala, no? Kasi dragon spirit is accept the truth. Minsan nakikita mo, ginagamit ka na, nararamdaman mo, ginagamit ka na, sinasabi na ng intuitions mo. Parang somebody's using you actually, Pisces, no? So actually, this is a general reading, Pisces, no? This is a collective general reading, no? And just take what resonates to you, and you have your own free will na mga anak, no? So tell us more about her love life, his love life, no? And Crosswatcher is open to watch po. Huwag ka mag-alala. In the middle of the month naman, nakikita ko na parang you gonna move on, no? Tell us more, Spirit. Even you know the truth already. Parang you're gonna start a new beginning din para sa sarili mo in the middle of parang you're gonna gain some strength. Some of you actually may be dealing with Leo. Na Pisces, if you're dealing with Leo, parang makikita mo, or maybe this person is new to you na makikilala mo. You might gonna came across with my potential lover energy, no? Okay, tell us more, Spirit Guide, sa kanyang love life. Ayan, may nakikita din tayo ditong reverse 6 of Wands din sa love life mo, no? When it comes sa ang 6 of Wands, when it comes to your love life, na parang may nakikita tayo ditong at least na maybe it could happen maybe at the end of the month ng October na i-give up mo na, no? Alam mo na, you accept it already because it's on your face, nakikita mo na maybe that person is using you, or ikaw ginagamit ka na, Pisces, or sabihin natin na exchange energy, no? Maybe na magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan ang importansya ng ginagamit mong tao, no, Pisces. And we've been seeing also this is about your love life, pero there's a lot of truth na malalaman ka ang overall energy, which is I think this is a blessing, and this is blessing because you're not into a darkened energy already, no? Alam mo ng katotohanan, no? So maganda rin, no? So there's a little bit competitive energy sa buwan ng Oktubre sa'yo, no? Pisces. So kuha tayo ng angel advice. At least you know now kasi ang pinaka-overall, overall, parang sabihin natin, conclusion sa mangyayari sa'yo. Hindi ko naman sinabi na just you have your own free will pa rin, pero at least Tarot is just your guidance, no? So ikaw pa rin na masusunod, pero since you love Tarot, ibig sabihin anuhin mo rin, try to see things clearly. And nakikita ko na the spirit guide want you to learn the energy of acceptance, no? And face the truth and move forward and walk high. Ayon. Walk with your heads up high. Yan ang sabi. Huwag kang magbulag-bulagan. Ayun pala. Okay. Angel message, spirit guide para kay Pisces sa buwan ng Oktubre. Ayan ang sabi sa'yo, spread your wings. Ang ganda ng message sa'yo. Spread your wings. Archangel Ariel, do not hold back right now. Wag mo daw, parang tingin ko din you're gonna make some decisions here. No, ito nga nakita natin, may 6 of Wands, may decisions kang gagawin. Na parang acceptance is the 6 of Wands in reverse. Na parang acceptance, defeat, and parang accept mo na, yeah, okay, I see the situations clearly. And I accept it, na parang gano'n. And then, ang sabi sa'yo, ni Archangel Ariel, do not hold back, no? Parang sinasabi, supporting you with your decisions. And very glad actually sa'yo na you accept it, no? Spread your wings daw, no? You are capable of doing anything. Be proud of yourself, as I told you, no? Siyempre, meron ako nakikita may magse-separate energy dito. Or may sasabihin natin na mapupuno ang salop mo, no, Pisces, sa isang tao na yan na akala mo is very serious sa'yo, pero pala, no, piniplay ka, nakikita mo na yan, hindi mo matanggap, nasasabi na ng kaibigan mo, hindi mo matanggap, but at the end of the month daw, you came into a decisions. At do not hold back daw, sabi ni Archangel Ariel. Spread your wings, no? Sabihin, you're free. No, it's about time to focus on yourself daw, Pisces. And you are ready to soar daw, ang sabing ganon. Yan lang ang inaantay daw sa'yo. Magkaroon ka lang ng enlightenment. Makita mo raw ang totoo sa ilusyon. No? Makita mo na. Ibig sabihin, ayan na, very open ka na sa lahat ng possibility and blessing. No? Ayan. Okay? If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. And we do also live po, you have a chance po na mag-ask ng questions, no? So, good luck sa'yo sa iyong October, Pisces. Thank you and God bless you.